Today, humanity stands at a crossroads, asking one defining question: will artificial intelligence make humanity obsolete? Or more precisely, what will be the role, purpose, and meaning of humans in a world run by machines? The path to this answer stretches from the speed of technological progress to the transformation of the global job market, and ultimately to the very foundations of human existence. Artificial intelligence and the world of work. Where does the journey begin? The power of the mind is now being shared with machines. Research shows that roughly 30% of current jobs in the United States could be automated by 2030. Globally, estimates suggest that by 2030, around 300 million full-time jobs could be affected by AI or automation. Another dataset from the International Labor Organization indicates that 1 in every 4 jobs worldwide could be directly influenced by generative AI. And more. Some experts argue that rather than job loss, the key issue will be job transformation. By 2030, 14% of workers may have to completely switch professions. In short, the picture looks like this. Many jobs might not vanish, but over the next decade or so, the global workforce will undergo a massive reshaping. This isn't just about losing work. It's about the changing meaning, structure, and human role within work itself. How real is job loss? It's still speculative to state an exact number of jobs that will disappear, but some projections are strikingly high. For instance, a Forbes analysis suggests that by 2040, 50 to 60% of jobs could be transformed by automation or AI. Meanwhile, Goldman Sachs researchers estimate that if AI is widely adopted, 6 to 7% of the U.S. workforce could face direct displacement. These figures aren't just about automation of specific roles. They represent a deeper transformation of how and why humans work. What could humanity lose? Work is not just a way to earn money. It's identity, belonging, meaning, the feeling of creation and contribution. When a person feels, I have no job, I don't produce, I don't add value, it's not only an economic loss. It becomes a psychological and social fracture. So what exactly could we lose in this transformation? The sense of creation, the intrinsic motivation to do something meaningful, could weaken. Purpose, the belief of I create value and make a difference, may fade. Social role and identity. Our professional life defines much of who we are. When it shrinks, the question, who am I, grows louder. Security of the future. Rapidly changing job landscapes make long-term life planning harder. Individual meaning. If most work becomes automated, working may turn into merely keeping up with machines, something that doesn't fit the human spirit. New work structures and human futures, but this isn't just a dark story. Let's look at the other side. While automation closes some doors, it opens new ones. Human-machine collaboration. The future is not human or machine. It's human plus machine. Many tasks will be automated, but humans will guide, interpret, and give meaning to the process. Creativity, empathy, leadership will gain value, because AI still cannot truly replicate emotion, ethics, or long-term judgment. Education and reskilling will be crucial. Employers won't just seek people who can do something. but those who can adapt to anything. The concept of work itself will evolve. Instead of working to earn, people may start viewing work as contributing to humanity and creating value. The outlook for the next 10 years by 2030, global projections suggest millions of jobs across multiple sectors may change or disappear. Roughly 30% of U.S. jobs could be exposed to automation. Many workers will need to shift into entirely different professions. The meaning of work will be questioned more than ever. Why do I work? What is my contribution? Learning, adaptation, and lifelong education will no longer be optional. They'll be survival tools. What can be done? Humanity still has options, powerful ones. Stay open to learning and change. Don't resist technology. Understand it, shape it. Develop creativity, critical thinking, and empathy. These are the traits that will set humans apart from machines. Renew social structures. Policies, education systems, and safety nets must evolve. When a profession disappears, society must answer, what's next? Rethink the meaning of work. Our goal should not just be avoiding unemployment. It should be building a humane and meaningful working life. The question is no longer whether AI will change our world. It already has. What remains is whether we will change enough to stay truly human within it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to support us.